My name is Jinnkuen Lu, and I work in the Taiwan Refinery for about 30 years. I've been in technical department. Our government requests our refinery to the zero emission. We heard the liquid rain system. We never heard Hijet. We have been to the United States to several refinery. LA, he is working or not. We found a solution. Talin refinery installed two flare gas recovery systems. Each capacity is 9,600 normal cubic meter per hour. The charge pressure is about 5 to 6. Fuel gas system only need 3.5. I see that the Hijet system run very smoothly, even though you make it change. It will also easy to operate. It's no problem. Easy to operate.
Easy to start and stop.
Yes, simple. It's easy to run the pump. That's very easy. Yeah.
Would you choose the Hijet system again?
Yes.
If you had a chance?
Yes, I will choose the Hijet system again. Yes.
So
definitely.
You feel like your refinery made the right choice in choosing?
Yes, I think we have a good choice.
Would you recommend the Hijector system to other refineries that need flare gas recovery?
Yes, I think the Hijet system is a good system. Easy to operation, no maintenance.
Have you been able to achieve zero flaring, zero emissions?
Yes.